in the form of the 10th Nanak and the 10th form of Akal Purakh Vaheguru on this earth, Guru Gobind Singh declares the blessings and qualities that Akal Purakh Vaheguru bestowed upon the Khalsa. These teachings are in Sarbaloh Granth Sahib, and these qualities beautifully reiterate the teachings that the 6th Nanak, Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji gave to Samarth Ramdas Ji. ऐसे गुण हर खालसा बख्शे, Bhagat Gyani Raja Jogeshwar. Vaheguru bestowed these qualities to the Khalsa. To be a saint and devotee, imbued with spiritual and temporal wisdom. To be the sovereigns of sovereigns, kings of kings, and queens of queens, and the ascetic of ascetics by renouncing Maya, the illusion. This line of Gurbani in Sarbaloh Granth Sahib perfectly expounds upon the teaching of Miri Piri by Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, that a Sikh is to focus on worldly power as well as spiritual authority. This line also mentions that a Sikh is to be a certain type of ascetic and renunciate. The type of ascetic a Sikh strives to be is as Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji taught to Samarth Ramdas Ji, the Guru of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which is documented in the Panjah Sakhiyan, part of Sav Sakhi, and in an 18th century Marathi literary work known as Ramdas Swamichi Bakhar composed by Hanumant Swami. While Samarth Ramdas Ji was doing a pilgrimage in northern India, he met Shri Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji in Srinagar, Kashmir. Seeing Shri Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji's physical form with a kalgi, a royal plume, on his dumala, a type of turban tied by Sikhs, and having his body adorned with shastras, weapons, Samarth Ramdas Ji said, I had heard that you occupy the gaddi, throne, of Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak was a Tyagi Sadhu, a saint who had renounced the world. You possess arms and keep an army and horses. You allow yourself to be addressed as Sacha Patshah, the true king. What sort of a sadhu are you? Shri Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji replied by saying, internally a hermit, a saint, and externally a king. Weapons mean protection of the poor and destruction of the tyrants. Guru Nanak Sahib Ji had not renounced the world but had renounced Maya, the self and ego. Pleased Samarth Ramdas Ji replied, Ye hamare man bhavti hai, this appeals to my mind. According to some accounts, Shri Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji also ordered Samarth Ramdas Ji to go to the Maratha region of the Indian subcontinent and spread this message of the Sikh religion. This Sakhi of the 6th Nanak, Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, is corroborated by the 10th Nanak, Guru Gobind Singh, in Sarbaloh Granth Sahib. This is another example of how there is one divine light of Akal Purakh Vaheguru that manifested in 10 physical human forms and is now immortalized in Ard, Dasam and Sarbaloh Guru Granth Sahib Ji. And this Sakhi explains this line from Sarbaloh Granth Sahib in further detail. Guru Gobind Singh further lists the qualities bestowed on the Khalsa by Vaheguru. Kshatriyabrit Annayupasak, Tyagi Hathi So Bhavneswar. The Khalsa were bestowed with a warrior mindset, devoted only to one Akal Purakh Vaheguru, a renunciate of Maya, the illusion, as Guru Har Gobind Sahib taught Samarth Ramdas, a tenacious warrior and the sovereign, king or queen of the land. These are some of the many blessings that Vaheguru bestowed upon the Khalsa as stated by Guru Har Gobind Sahib in the Sakhi with Samarth Ramdas Ji and Guru Gobind Singh in Sarbaloh Granth Sahib.